Well, I guess we'll see if the JB Weld I put on it, if it worked or not. I don't think it sounds any damn different. Maybe just a little quieter. I don't know. Not a lot. This is the fun thing about carbureted bikes. You gotta let them warm up. Yes, you do. But I need to run to Quick Trip to pick up stuff for tomorrow, and because I don't have much shit at home. I don't. But yeah, it takes like a little over a minute for this thing to warm up. Maybe we'll run it a little cold. I don't know. I'm not gonna let it totally warm up. Clutches ain't grabbing, so that's good. Said it was supposed to rain, but it didn't. Well, it technically hasn't yet. And no, the JB Weld didn't work. Or maybe it did. I don't know. I can't tell if it's louder, quieter. I just can't. Don't worry, I'll try to break the JB Weld for all I know. Probably will. Definitely a different sound. I love why cars speed up to see if they're faster. Or to see what it is, I don't know. Maybe people just want to chase it down to see what it is. What is that thing? I don't know. But I love it. Got a different sound. A little different. Make a noise. Not loud noise anymore. Not a, makes a better noise. I hate when people creep up on me. I do. Beautiful. Running good. A little twist of the throttle. Goes pretty good. Come on, people. I'm not the one going fucking slow today. Yeah, it's gonna break the JB Weld probably. Probably. miles an hour, it sounds quieter. Hey, I don't know if she's ever sounded this quiet at 50. Sounds good though. In the back way just because I like to. Plus it's turning green right about now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, there I can smell the JB Weld. Lights coming. Don't know where they're going. Don't worry, that's coming out of the pipe, out of the muffler. Baffling out of the end of the pipe now, which is good. Yeah. Actually a little quieter now. Yeah, I don't even know what's happening with the JB Weld, but I can smell it, so I'm heat treating it. It's been on there for over like 14 hours, so. Alright, I'm gonna stop you there.